right? I'm at the bank. Just made a big withdrawal, I guess. Well, big for me, but just pulled out a good amount of money. This weekend, hopefully gonna go pick up a new twin turbo engine for the Z. Kind of happened all super quick, so hopefully this turns out well. Okay, quick little intermission between like the excitement. Obviously I need a couple more things. This is the inside of my garage. I will not turn the camera the other way because it's disgusting, but this is pretty much where I'm gonna be working on the engine for the next however long it takes. I just went to Harbor Freight tonight and picked up a stand. I know it's Pittsburgh and whatever, but it's like I'm gonna be using it for one engine. It's not like I'm a shop that needs like, I don't know, Milwaukee or Snap-on stuff. So, and it should be fine. I mean the engine's fairly heavy. It's 610 pounds, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna put this together and I'll check in when I've gotten everything out of the box at least. Okay, I got a little bit carried away because I realized I have a car meet to be at like right now. But anyways, it's all together. It took me like 30 minutes. It shouldn't have, but I was being an idiot and I wasn't using tools and I was listening to music, so anyways, super easy. So hopefully everything will go well. I believe this is where the holes for like where the transmission would mount up would be. So I'm hoping he's gonna give me some like transmission bolts, because obviously my engine is still in my car. But yeah, anyways, I don't know if I'll video anything at the car meet. There's not usually that many super interesting things there, but you never know. A couple GTRs or two.
The guy's coming over to you.
I have the car. I mean, I have the motor off the stand right now. So I'm hoping to make 600 grand. Well, it's a LP9 iron block. So
I'm just worried that somebody's gonna walk by your car and just like drag.
can't find it though. This is the fan. I don't think you can even find them anymore.
Let's go, baby. Got 2 turbos on this one. Okay, we got it back home and still on the trailer, but rotated around and slid all the way to the back. We're gonna just hit it with a bunch of degreaser and pressure wash it after we get everything all sealed up, all the holes we don't want, like the charge pipe holes and stuff. So pretty sick though. It's not even ready. I got a lot of stuff to do. Like, I'm gonna try and figure out how to get this off the turbo manifold because it's a little bit stuck and crusty, but well, I don't think that one's stuck. I think the one on the exhaust is stuck, but anyways, got a lot of work to do before this is even close to ready to go in the car. So got the stand in there, kind of see it. We're gonna get this on in a bit. I gotta get some bolts to stick into where it mounts to the block, but that's the easy stuff. Also, something I'm not a fan of. It looks cool, but it's a little bit too much. So let me know, should I keep that or what? But I'm gonna repaint all of this stuff. It's gonna be like completely black and white. maybe like clear timing covers. I don't know. They sell them on Z1 and they're pretty cheap, so might just send it. Sick. All the oil is from my mom's car, by the way, so not mine. All the stuff plugged off that needs to be plugged off to clean it. Just about on the stand. Cleans up nice.
You don't fuck with me, homie.
She's on the stand. It was a masterful craft to get it on, but it's on. Pretty sick. Cleaned it all up good. I'll probably get rid of this, so if anyone wants that, message me. So yeah, cleaned it up all good. Gonna do a lot of tearing, build a list, and then I'll see what I gotta do from there, but it's literally like all intact. I just literally gotta figure out what to do. I know I need a clutch because it doesn't have a clutch on there, so get a new flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, all that. But sick. 2 turbos.